Good morning student, welcome to the online class of Mount Gracious School. As you know, I am your English teacher. So students, today I am going to do revision of chapter 3. I am going to give you the brief explanation about the story, Some Apples Please. So I hope you all have remembered the story that this is the story about an old woman who one day wished to have an apple pie in her dinner, and she wanted to fulfill her wish of taking apple pie by being kind and helpful. So how she did that? We will discuss in this story. So this old woman is living in a small cottage in a village in England. This old woman is having plums and pear tree in her cottage, but she don't have apple tree. So she thought of taking the plums into the basket and set off from her home in search of apples. So when she set off, on the way she met a young woman who was trying to herd a flock of geese, hens and ducks, and she had a lot of conversation with the young woman, and then she come to know that the young woman's husband wished to have plum jam. So she thought that at least one of them will fulfill her wish. So she has given her basket of plums to the young woman. But can you tell what she has got in return? So in return, the young woman has given to the old woman a bag of feathers. So the old woman thought that yes, it is good to carry also, it is very light to carry also, so she take the bag of feathers and she set off once again from there. And while on the way from the farmhouse, she get a good smell, that the smell of a bread and cake floating into the air. And she also heard, when she goes near to the farmhouse, she also heard a quarreling sound, and that was very loudly. Both the man and the woman are quarreling loudly for stuffing the pillow. So she settled down the quarrel. She has told to the couples that if they stuff the pillow with feathers, then it will be good. So she has given a bag of feathers which she got from the young woman, to the couples. And in return, what she has got? What she has got? Can you tell? She has got bread and cake in return of that bag of feathers. So again she started her journey, and she has came near the cottage of another, means on the way she find another cottage, and when she gone near to that cottage, she find that one mother and her children was sitting in front of the cottage door, and they are looking very sad. And when she asks them, she find that they both are hungry for a long time, as they don't have any money to buy food. So as the old woman is very kind and helpful, she has given the loaves of bread to the mother, and they both had taken it, and returned they had got puppy. So that puppy she has, as she knows that there is no work of puppy, but she don't want to say no to them, so she has taken the puppy from the mother and her children. And again she set up, and she is thinking now that whether she will get the apple tree or not. And while walking she is thinking like that, and on the way finally she got one apple tree, and one man is sitting, old man is sitting in the cottage where the apple tree was there. And she talked a lot with the old woman, and then she has as the old man was very lonely, she has given the puppy to the old man, as the puppy could be a very good companion for the old man, and in exchange of that puppy, the old woman has demanded some apples for making apple pie. So this way, the old woman has fulfilled her wish of taking apple pie in the dinner. Okay, I hope you all have understood it very nicely now, as I have explained again. So students, one task I want to give you. I have explained you briefly, and I have explained you earlier also about the old woman. So now your task is to write few lines about the old woman. Okay, so this is the question. Write few lines about old woman which you have read in the story from that, and that you have to write in your own words. Okay, thank you.